In the dynamic world of project management, visualizing timelines and dependencies is paramount. Whether you're orchestrating a small team or managing a complex portfolio of initiatives, understanding how tasks relate to each other in time is crucial for staying on track and achieving your goals. One of the most powerful tools for this visual representation is the Gantt chart. So, if you're exploring project management platforms, a critical question likely arises. Does ClickUp have a Gantt chart? The short and resounding answer is yes. ClickUp absolutely has a robust and feature-rich Gantt chart view. Far from being a basic add-on, ClickUp's Gantt chart is a core component of its platform, designed to empower project managers and teams with the clarity and control needed to navigate project timelines effectively. Let's delve deeper into what ClickUp's Gantt chart offers and why it's an invaluable asset for anyone involved in project management. Visualizing your project landscape. At its heart, a Gantt chart is a horizontal bar chart that provides a visual overview of a project schedule. Each task or activity is represented by a bar, the length of which corresponds to its duration. These bars are positioned along a timeline, clearly indicating start and end dates. ClickUp's Gantt chart takes this fundamental concept and enhances it with a range of interactive features. When you switch to the Gantt view within a ClickUp space, folder, or list, you'll see your tasks beautifully laid out against a calendar. This visual representation immediately provides several key benefits. Clear timeline. You can instantly see when each task is scheduled to begin and end, providing a clear understanding of the project's overall duration. Task dependencies. ClickUp allows you to easily link tasks together to represent dependencies. A line connecting two tasks indicates that one task cannot start until the other is completed. This visual cue is essential for understanding the critical path of your project and identifying potential bottlenecks. Progress tracking. As tasks are completed, you can update their progress directly within the Gantt chart. The visual representation of completion provides a quick and easy way to monitor the overall health of your project. Resource allocation. While ClickUp offers more dedicated workload management features, the Gantt chart can provide a basic overview of task assignments, helping you identify potential overloads. Interactivity and customization at your fingertips. ClickUp's Gantt chart isn't just a static visual. It's a dynamic and interactive tool that allows for real-time adjustments and customizations. This interactivity empowers project managers to adapt to changing circumstances and maintain control over their schedules. Here are some key interactive features. Drag and drop editing. You can easily adjust task start and end dates simply by dragging the edges of the taskbars on the chart. This intuitive functionality allows for quick rescheduling and timeline adjustments. Dependency creation. Linking tasks to create dependencies is as simple as dragging from the end of one taskbar to the beginning of another. This visual method makes it easy to establish and modify task relationships. Filtering and sorting. To focus on specific aspects of your project, ClickUp's Gantt chart allows you to filter tasks based on various criteria, such as assignee, status, or priority. You can also sort tasks based on different fields to gain different perspectives on your schedule. Customizable timeframes. You can adjust the zoom level of the Gantt chart to view your project in different timeframes, from daily to yearly, allowing you to get a granular view or a high-level overview as needed. Critical path highlighting. ClickUp can automatically highlight the critical path of your project, the sequence of tasks that directly impacts the project's overall completion date. This visual cue helps you focus on the most important tasks and identify potential delays. Baselines. ClickUp allows you to set baselines for your project schedule. This feature enables you to compare your current progress against your original plan, making it easy to identify deviations and take corrective actions.